Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to turn off Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So now as you can see, the OK or Hey Google feature is activated when I'm saying the Hey Google, OK Google. So now just to turn off this feature, we should launch the Google application, and after that click here on the right upper corner. Then you'll see the settings, tap here once and click to the voice section. After that, tap to the voice match. And now just to turn off this feature, we should click once on this feature and then tap to OK. And after saying Hey Google or OK Google, now we can see that this feature is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.